Introducing the Gedore Capture Lite Torque Tester, a robust and reliable tool designed to give you confidence in the accuracy of your torque tools. With its sleek design and advanced features, the Capture Lite is the perfect addition to any industrial, automotive, or production environment. Covering a torque range of 0.02 to 1 Newton meters, the Capture Lite is ideal for a wide variety of applications, ensuring precise measurements for both low and high torque tasks. It offers 3 modes: peak, first peak, and track, allowing you to select the most appropriate mode for your specific needs. Built with a robust aluminum anodized body, the Capture Lite is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use in demanding environments. Its bright and clear OLED display, protected by a sturdy Perspex screen protector, provides easy readability even in challenging lighting conditions. The Capture Lite's USB port allows for data export, enabling you to store and analyze your torque measurements. With its versatility, durability, and user-friendly features, the Gedore Capture Lite Torque Tester is an indispensable tool for professionals seeking accurate and reliable torque measurements. Invest in the Capture Lite today and experience the confidence that comes with knowing your torque tools are performing at their best.